Here, you cut it.
Happy birthday, Gabriel!
Oh! Best day ever.
Bingo.
That looks amazing.
But please! Best day ever! Yes!
Ooh. Happy 5th birthday, Gabriel. We're on our way to your party. What's today?
Best day ever.
Oh, best day ever. He's having a dinosaur party, go figure.
You told me you wanted to do a best day ever. What did you want it to be about?
Dinosaur!
Dinosaurs! I bet you guys couldn't have guessed that. And it's gonna be the best day ever. He loves firefighters. Hi! Best day ever! This is Wendy who made it all happen! Yay! Is he excited? He doesn't know. Okay, the parade is beginning. Here we go. Best day ever cup. Look how cute, thank you.
Okay, they're about to leave. Come on, let's go. Go.
There it goes. Are we all gonna be able to turn out here? Whoa. Here we go. Don't mind my car. Woo. Whoop whoop. The sirens are on. Oh my gosh. Great ever. That's probably Laura beeping. I bet you that's Laura beeping.
That's the church.
That's the church. Okay, let's yell to Gabriel. Happy birthday! Are you being shy?
Right now.
Why? Because it's your birthday? Happy birthday! How excited are you? We love you. Oh, so cute. Yay! So cute.
Guys, can we get in the back of the truck and get a picture?
Want to go in the back of the truck? We're gonna get in the back of the truck. Gabriel! Everybody wave! Hi everybody over here! Cheers! Yeah! Addison, let me see your beautiful face! Oh, you guys all look wonderful! Cheers! Yay! Cheers! Oh, perfect! Everybody say happy birthday, Gabriel!
Happy birthday, Gabriel!
Gabriel! Happy birthday, bud! Are you happy? Best day ever? You say thank you to the fire department? No! Aren't there our heroes?
Thank you for coming. Hey, no problem. Happy birthday. Thank you. Lovely house.
Did you see your video yet?
No, I did see the Dinosaur video yet.
Not yet? Well, I can't wait for you to watch it because it's really good. Boo.
Oh no, he's a dinosaur. He's wild.
He's wild and free. He turns into a dinosaur. How cute! It's so cute, Laura. The presents. Gabriel. All right. Happy birthday. What is that? You're a wild man. Are you going up there? You become a dinosaur when your party started? Are you a dinosaur too?
Dinosaur's gonna get us back!
Rawr!
Best day ever! Yes!
the ultimate tic-tac-toe board. Okay.
Get all your O's.
Okay, I have my O's. I have my O's.
Who's going first? Okay. I'm gonna put my O down here.
I don't know if that's a good move, guys. I don't know the tic-tac-toe rules or the tricks. Think about it. Think about it. Trying to help you here. Womp womp. Okay, I almost had her. I almost had her.
Dig.
Nobody won. Womp womp. Oh well. No. Oh no.
Hey, I'm gonna show you a big dinosaur and you would love it.
Let me see it. Show it to me.
Those are the ones that are big.
They are big. Those are huge dinosaurs.
And watch this. I got it on the switches.
Okay, let's see. Oh! Wow.
No, you
I'm
got
so impressed.
and bingo.
Where'd he go? Oh. I can't see you. What happened? Oh, what happened? They are so tired. The party just started. Oh.
To eat pizza and then we're gonna eat the ice cream and cake. We're gonna eat ice cream and cake.
Ice cream and cake? What kind of ice cream?
Ice cream cake? No, it's not ice cream cake. It's cake and ice cream. Not together, just separate. Do you know what ice cream cake is? It's a cake, but it's ice cream. It's ice cream.
Shaped like a cake.
Yeah.
Sometimes there's cake inside of it, but it's kind of cold when there's cake inside of it. Can you guys look at me and say best day ever? You're breaking my heart.
Tuesday best day ever for this girl.
Tuesday best day ever for this girl.
This girl.
This girl.
Ready?
One.
1, 2, 3.
Best day ever.
Love it. You'll get used to it. Let's see it again. Yay! Yay! Sand art. So cool. Very fun. Ah. So pretty. What's that face? You're hot. You look very hot. Were you bouncing hard? You were living the dream?
No, I'm just playing.
It's your birthday.
What?
It's your birthday.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
Well, you're not your official birthday, but kind of.
Birthday party.
Your birthday. Oh.
What did you learn from that dinosaur book? How do they celebrate their birthday?
Not by me.
Not by me. Not by being mean. How do they act when someone?
He doesn't remember. He's avoiding it. He's avoiding the question. He's avoiding the topic. Deflect. Deflect. Right? That's cute. Oh man, you are just giving it your all right now. Big reveal. Nice.
Done. No.
Very pretty. Let me see. Show the people. Thank you, buddy.
Oh no! 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 No!
Oh man. Go get Gabriel.
Hey, you opened the cage! You shouldn't open the cage or let the dinosaur dinosaurs will eat you.
Okay.
They're velociraptors.
Okay, I'm closing the cage up.
Hey, dinosaurs can't open gates.
Scary, scary dinosaurs. Vicious.
He's sleeping.
Oh, good night, dinosaur. He doesn't look like he's sleeping to me.
A dinosaur, another dinosaur. He's trying to sleep.
Oh, good night, little dinosaurs. Good night. That's right, never give up. Never give up. Long. When dinosaurs attack again. Best day ever. Or breathe or talk or be heard. Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Run, Loki!
What's up, girl? How you doing?
Dinosaurs chilling. Dinosaurs eating chips.
Give me the meat.
We went to the mall in them. It was amazing.
Best day ever.
Totally.
Here we go.
It's happening. That's the best. That looks amazing.
Are you so hot right now?
It is hot.
Help me.
I don't know if I can.
Oh, are we done here?
Yes.
Wow, look at the cool cake.
Yeah, I love your cake.
See the dinosaurs on there?
Careful, buddy.
But
What's wrong, bud? This is the cake.
Where's the what, bud?
We might not be able to put candles on it.
The wind.
no, the dinosaur.
Which one?
What dinosaur would you like?
Okay, the one that spreads eggs.
Oh, I didn't realize that one was. I'm sorry.
I want this
Katie,
one.
back up.
I didn't realize that. I'm sorry.
That one goes on a
These
cake
aren't
on your
enough.
birthday, Gabriel.
Yeah, on your actual birthday. We wanted to make it special.
Can I have
So we're saving it till then.
But
On your actual birthday.
please.
It is in Jurassic World right now, spitting acid on the the people. What are they called? Come on, help me out here.
He's spitting acid. We're not touching this.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gabriel. Happy birthday to you. Now pretend like you're not blowing out your candle.
No, we're not blowing. Here, you cut it.
Here, you cut it. Just keep the beat going.
You cut it.
Gives him the giant knife. You cut it.
Elena, this is why I wanted you to have the knife.
I can cut it too.
Good job.
There you go.
Good job.
Good job.
That's a big piece of cake. You're gonna eat that whole thing?
Chocolate.
Wow.
Addison.
Ready?
Yes, I have.
Come on, run away! He's a monster!
I'm trying to debate. Maybe this comes summer. I don't know.
Run, please!
She wasn't
Run, run.